ActivInspire allows you to align objects within your flip chart, perfect for creating activities for your students or even just for overall flip chart design. Let's say we wanted to align this caption centered below this image. Rather than trying to approximate it, use the selector tool and drag to select both objects. Once they've both been selected, choose Object Edit Menu, the third option, on your marquee handle. From here, select Align. There are several options to choose from. Let's choose Align Center X. Next, we can align these separate text boxes by following the same process. Select all of the objects and choose Object Edit Menu. Go to Align and select Align Left. Note that for each of these actions, the alignment criteria for the whole group are always based on the first object created in the group. Here's another alignment option. Perhaps we've been using playing cards for a math lesson or to randomize some element within the classroom. Again, select the objects you wish to align and go to Object Edit Menu. And this time we'll choose Align Complete.